everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So I wish it would be different circumstances and different place where I could make a video for you guys, but this is what I've been dealing with ever since Black Friday, basically. And my wife told me that she cannot flush the toilet anymore, that the water is backing up. And basically the shit is floating in the laundry room. So yeah, it's been what, 4 days? Today's Tuesday, so Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Today's the 5th day I'm dealing with this bullshit. But supposedly I'm gonna get a guys out starting to repair all this shit. So initially, let me just show you around, man. And I'm sorry, it's a mess everywhere, wherever you look at. But let me figure it out how I can turn this damn camera around. Okay, have to turn the camera off. So over here in this hole, like, I mean, all this area was flooded. It was shit flying everywhere. So the crew came in. First of all, it was hard to find somebody to come out. But then they had to come in, bust this open right here, and then let's just quickly walk over. And like I said, it's a mess everywhere now to this area. And so yeah, I have a pile of fucking dirt. Look at the wall. All over the place. So initially they saw that only the pipe, this is, back down there, this white plastic pipe used to be a cast iron in here, that only this part was messed up. So somehow they did all this work and never looked farther down in. They were just hoping, like, what a fucking guys, man. And now when we went to flush the toilet, water still wouldn't go down. So this cast iron shit is all fucked up through the house. It's collapsed. And so now we got to bust open, all through here, into here. They marked out with this blue fucking tape. And all to the back wall, all through the closet. I mean, it's dark, can't really see, but all through here. I don't have a light in here. And out the door, out the house, on the other side. So, yeah, that's what I've been dealing with, man. It's super frustrating, I stink like a fucking skunk, man, because I can't take a damn shower, Can't take a shit. Gotta go to the damn gas station, or McDonald's. So, yeah, and now let me show you what's on top of it. Okay, so now we're out here, and what a lovely weather today, for digging. It's just like designed, for digging. So this is where they're gonna come out here and dig somewhere to about here. These little flags are the gas pipeline going. The blue one is the water main line coming into the house. So yeah, this is the operation about to start whenever they show up. So here's my Bella, all discombobulated, man, and people coming in and out of the house yesterday, day before yesterday. So she's just looking out the window, quote unquote. She can't wait till somebody's gonna show up. But yeah, that's a one positive thing, that my dog is happy dog. So I texted my son, hopefully he doesn't have to work, so he can come and pick her up for a day. So yeah, this is fucking things that I've been dealing with, It's so unexpected, and it all cost me $15,000, man, like I have it. So this is a good time to subscribe to my channel, support me with subscribing, so I can get monetized, you know, for these stupid videos I make. So like, share, subscribe, and yeah, we'll see how it all works out at the end of it.
No, podemos dejar tapado todo ahorita y prender el extractor. Ah, sí.
So a little update, man. So the guys showed up like after 10 o'clock, and I was just like looking out the window, man, and they were shoveling the snow next to the neighbor's house. So I went out there and I was like, man, you guys are fucking cleaning in the snow at the wrong house, man, you know. And so yeah, it's been fucking disaster, man. So now they're downstairs breaking up the concrete, and I don't know how long this is gonna last, man. The whole house is fucking rattling, and super freaking stressed out. I can't even explain how much. And I understand a little bit of Spanish, and they were calling to somebody and they say, oh, we got so many jobs, we got a job at Fort Collins, we got a this and that. I'm like, dudes, man, you gotta fucking finish it here first before you head over somewhere else. So I don't know, we'll see how it goes, but I'm not happy.
¿Cuánto más la vas a recorrer? Como unas 4 pulgadas. Ok, espérenlo, amigo. Simón. ¿De qué lado se lo puse, maestro? ¿Te lo viento? No, espérame. Ok.
So that pipe over there, that's the old one. That tomorrow cut that one out too, huh?
We're going to connect it from here.
Yeah, for today.
Yeah.
Fuck's sakes, man.
So, 6 feet deep. Maybe.
That's fucking crazy, man.
Es todo, vato.
All right, man, just went downstairs to check on the guys, man, what they're doing. I mean, they're making progress. They busted out all the concrete and putting a new pipe in from bathroom to outside, like leaving a little bit on the inside of the house, and then they're gonna come back tomorrow morning and dig from outside, cut out the pipe from the clay pipe, which is going down to the main, sewage line out on the street. So they're gonna have to replace probably like 6 to 8 feet of pipe, and then that should be it. And they also saying that they're gonna pour the concrete inside of the house tomorrow. So fuck, man, I don't know if that's it. Then it's good, but I mean, this has just been complete ass freaking nightmare, and but it had to be done. That's all I can say. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. Okay, so what the hell? It's like 1:30, so the guys are gone for today. So let me go downstairs and see what they've done, and supposedly we can flush the toilet now, but then they're gonna be back tomorrow. All right. Oh, what a fucking mess, man. What a complete ass mess. So here it is. Oh man. So it all starts here. All this pipe was rotted out, like where the new one is connected to, and then from here on they had to bust everything open through the hallway, through the spare bedroom, through the freaking closet, down here and into here, and that's actually down there. It's underneath the fundament, so it's like about 6 feet deep over here. But yeah, that's where the damn pipe is connected to right now. And then tomorrow they're gonna backfill. They're gonna connect from there, you know, and to outside. They're gonna dig, put in the new piping. But yeah, motherfucker, hit my head on this damn thing. But yeah, it's unbelievable operation, but it had to be done. And I'm just gonna be so happy when this is all cleaned up and done, and thank God. Then I guess $15,000 later, you know, I'm not gonna have to worry about this shit anymore. But it just shows you these damn cast iron pipes are what a piece of shit. And that's how it was done back in the day. All right, that's an update. Till tomorrow. All right, so the guys are here, and they're gonna start digging over here. But that's gotta be the last 10 feet they gotta put in from here to here. So, well, they're here on time this time, like 8 o'clock. But it's still fucking cold as fuck. And that's the operation. the car. So they're coming in. There's the Bella. I gotta be start digging. Lets them dig. I'm fucking cold. It's very cold. Maybe mucho dineros over there.
Oh yeah.
His own box.
No, ponla gratis.
Oh, what a fucking operation here. Oh, fucking never forget this shit. Okay, so that one is a sprinkler system. They've dug hole this deep so far. I don't know if they have reached the pipe yet, but it's pretty fucking deep. 6 feet. So they're just getting their tools and they're gonna keep digging.
No me voy a ir, güey, pero ahorita voy a hacer llamadas. ¿Por qué no? Porque me acaban de hablar.
Looks like they found a pipe, but
Que me marcó el maestro. Que tengo que volver a marcar para corregir el correo. Pues si ya las corregí, pero quieren que vuelva a marcar y les diga y de ahí me van a mandar un correo con preguntas y yo las tengo que enviar. Le pregunté que tenía que hacer otra aplicación y no. O sea, si ahorita me dice que
all right, I'm just inside, man. Fucking guys, man, you know, that's not an easy job. But they found the pipe and I just want to get out of their way. What the hell are they doing? Like securing, I believe, the ends of the sides of the hole. You don't want to fucking get buried in there. Luckily, the soil is like super hard. Oh my God, what an operation. The guy's wearing the Steelers hat. He's definitely in the right place. Oh man, that must be heavy. Oh well, you know, freaking, oh okay, I see how it works. Which is gonna secure the sides. It's like a jack. Alright. I know they're saying pinche madre. Or puta madre, whatever. I'm not stupid what it means. Okay, let them work.
Sí, pues para ponérselo así. Ahorita ya está el frío. Aviénteselo. ¿Sí te quedó, Samari? No sé, pero esta pinche banda no me jaló. Otra banda.
They're just connecting the pipe now.
¿Es la de la orilla? Sí. Pinche dona, güey. Por eso, güey, pero quiero repartirles el espacio que me falta. Quiero darles mitad y mitad. Con el fronco yo no te liquea nada, güey, no pasa nada. Bueno, con usted. Yo sé lo que te digo, Samari. Saca de la piedra nada más que le están metiendo, güey. ¿Quieres que te ayude? No, ya que de casi, güey. Acá tiene piedras, ¿eh, Samari, la pipa? ¿Dónde? Acá de este lado le entraron piedras.
Okay, they installed the clean out pipes.
Acá están.
They're putting the plywood on. Okay.
Hey.
So, okay. I'm getting used to this mess in the house. So here's the freaking whole operation now. This is day, I don't know which one. Today's Wednesday, so 3, 4, 5 days of work, man. It's unbelievable. So they put these little rocks underneath the pipes, and yeah, all right. They're gonna leave the trench open for inspection from city. They're gonna come in tomorrow at some point. Then they're gonna backfill it all, pour the concrete on top of it. And that's gonna be the end of it, I guess. So front yard is kind of fucked up too now with the grass, but I didn't have a good grass to begin with. And so this is where they connected the pipe. And that's like under fundament. I kind of believe that they were not able to. That's just my assumption. They did not yank out the pipe, the old one, for a section. I highly doubt it. But let me just, that's an old pipe. Yep. That is one small section of the old pipe. I would say a couple feet maybe. I don't know how good or bad that is, but then I imagine how in the hell you yank that pipe out of it. So, no freaking idea is it good or bad. But there's a new pipe, but it was rotted out. And I just hope that this piece is intact. So, yeah. Anyways, that's what it is. Hopefully it all works. All right, so that is it for today. So tomorrow I'm not gonna be home. I'm gonna go back to work. My wife is gonna be home, or maybe Or maybe I'll stay. I don't know. Now I gotta go to work. But anyways, that concludes today's video. Okay, the guys were back today. Today's Monday again, so they poured the concrete back and they sealed everything up, but that's what's going on now. But looks a little better. But however, they have forgotten to pour the concrete on the other side. So like with anything, you know, nowadays people just don't know how to finish the job. So they clearly forgot to pour the concrete here and put all this dirt back in there and all sealed up. So they're gonna have to come back and also install back the toilet itself. So, and this is what the outside looks like now. They of course didn't clean anything here, but that's too much to ask. And they installed these two pipes where you can clean out the drains if anything gets clogged up again. So I guess that's a plus. $15,000 upgrade. My ass. But all right, so I guess that'll do it. So yeah, I'll make a video out of it. Hopefully you guys never have to deal with this kind of shit, because it's not fun. It's like a week and a half dealing with this garbage. It seems like we're on the way to be done with it. So now just make a goddamn payment, and that's all. All right, till next time, talk to you later. Bye.